Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily create a Wise account that you can use to send and receive money internationally. So for example, you are into freelancing, you could set up a Wise account that you can use to receive money from your clients and from your customer. And for example, if you are into dropshipping, you could also set up a Wise account that you can use to receive payment, or link directly with your Stripe account that you can use to receive payment from your dropshipping business. So if is something you'd like to do, I want you to stick around, watch this video to the end. So the first thing we're going to do now is to go to the description of the video. I'm going to add a link to some Wise at the description of the video. So just go there, click the link, and once you click on the link, you're going to see something like this. So once you're on the home page of Wise, what you want to do is come over here, then click on register. Or if you want to use the platform to send money immediately, you could also come over here, indicate how much you want to send. So for example, you want to send 100 US dollar and you want to send the money to a British pounds account. Just select GDP here, and you're going to see the amount of money the person is going to receive in the GDP currency. So if you're okay, the next thing you want to do now is to come over here and click on send money now. So I'm not sending any money now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come over here, then I'm going to click on register. So what you want to do here now is come over here, then enter your email address. So here I'm going to paste my email address, and the next thing I'm going to do is to come over here, then click on next. So I'm going to click on next. So after that, it's going to prompt you to choose whether you're going to be creating a personal account or a business account. So if you are going for a personal account, now this account is going to be in your name, and the US bank account or other currency account you're going to be having is going to be in your name. But if you are going for a business account, that means you need to have a business incorporated in the US. That means you need to have an LLC, and this LLC details is what you're going to be using to create your business account on Wise. So that means you need to have an EIN, you need to have a business name, a business address in the US, and a US phone number. So if you have that in place, you could also come over here, then click on business account. And the best part is you could actually create a personal account first, and when you want to create a business account as well, you could upgrade your account to business account. So you can have a personal account inside your Wise account and also have a business account inside your Wise account. So for the sake of this video, we're going to be going with personal account. So what you want to do is come over here, then select personal account. So here is going to prompt you to choose a country where you live. So what you want to do is you want to come over here, then click on this drop down menu, then select your country. So once you select your country, you want to search the state here, then choose your state and click continue so we can proceed. Then after that, come over here, then click continue. So the next thing you're going to be doing now is to come over here, then enter your phone number so they can verify your account with your phone number. So what you want to do is enter your phone number based on the country you choose. Okay, so depending on the country you choose, your phone number is going to be entered based on that country code. So what I'm going to do now is quickly enter my phone number here so they can send a verification code to the number, and so I can use the code to verify my account. Okay, so I've just entered my phone number. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to come over here, then click on send verification code. All right, so the verification code has been sent to my phone number. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to come over here, enter the verification code and submit so we can proceed. So I've just entered the verification code. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click on submit here. All right, so I've just entered my phone number. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to create a password for my account. So once you enter your password, the next thing you want to do is come over here, then click on continue. So once your account is created, now the next thing you want to do now is to enter some of your details here. So as you can see, the first one is your country. So after that, you're going to enter your first legal name and your middle name. So your full legal last name is going to come over here. Then your date of birth. So your date of birth is going to come here. Your month and your year is going to come here. So after that, after that is going to be your number. So the number has been entered already. So once you've entered all of the details, the next thing you have to do now is to come over here, then click on continue. So let me quickly enter mine so we can continue and proceed to the next step. So the next step here is for you to enter your address. So as you can see, it says you need to provide a proof of this letter. So this means you're going to be needing to verify your address in the future. So make sure you enter an address that is correct. So what I'm going to do is come over here, then enter my address. address, so we can proceed. So after that, come over here, then click on continue. So the next step here is for you to choose your nationality, which is going to be the country at which you were given birth to. So what you want to do is click on this drop down menu here, then search for your country, select your country, enter it here, and proceed. So as you can see, we've successfully created our Wise account. So it says, what would you like to do first? Would you like to send money or would you like to receive money? So if you click on receive money, this means you'll be able to get your own personal USD bank account that is going to come in your own name. So this bank account is what you're going to be sending to people, and this is where they can actually pay you to and receive the money into your Wise account. So if you click on send money, it's going to walk you through the process of you sending money, then verifying your account, that is uploading your national ID card and stuff like that. So let me click on spend or receive money. So next, come over here, then click on continue. So here is prompting you to choose the currency at which you want to get paid. So if it's going to be in US dollar, you can just select US dollar. If it's going to be in Indian rupee, you can choose Indian rupee here. And if it's going to be in Canadian dollar, you can choose Canadian dollar here. So I'm going to leave it at US dollar. Then after that, I'm going to come over here, then click on continue. So as a bonus, you could also get a Wise card that you can use to make payments online. So if you want that, all you simply need to do is click on get a Wise card. Well, if you don't want that, click on maybe later. So for the sake of the video, I'm just going to come over here and click on maybe later. So the next thing you want to do now is to agree to the terms of use. So what you want to do is just scroll to the bottom of the page. Then after that, click on I agree. So guys, we've successfully created our Wise account. So the next step now is for us to go through a verification process. And mind you, I already have a Wise account. So this is just a tutorial based account to show you how you yourself can create your own Wise account. So I'm not going to go through the verification process, but I just want to show you how you yourself can successfully create your Wise account. So when you get to the verification process here, it's going to prompt you to enter an amount you want to deposit in your bank account, which is going to be inside your Wise account. So once you deposit money inside your Wise account, they will be able to generate a USD bank account number that is going to be in your own name. So depending on the currency you choose, now the bank account for that currency is going to carry the name on your personal account. So here what you want to do is select the amount you want to deposit. So if it's going to be 20 US dollar, just leave it at 20 US dollar. Then after that, click on continue. So when you click on continue, now before you click on continue, it's going to prompt you to choose a payment method that is the method at which you're going to be using to deposit the money into your Wise account. So here I'm going to click on plus here. So when you click on plus, you're going to see the option available. So we have connected bank account, which is ACH. We have wire transfer, debit card, or credit card. So what you want to do is, depending on how you want to deposit the money, if it's going to be debit or credit, just select any of the two. But most of the time it should be a debit card. So you can just come over and change it to debit card. So after that, you're going to see how much they are going to deduct from the card. So the total amount is going to be 20.48 US dollar. So after that, click on continue, and when you click on continue, it's going to prompt you to enter the details of the debit card you want to use to deposit the money. So once you've entered the details of the card, the next thing is going to prompt you to do is to verify your account by uploading your national ID. So when you upload this, your account is going to be verified, and once your account is verified, you're going to be able to have your currency bank account number in your Wise account. And once you've done this, your Wise account has been successfully created. So if you still want to create a business Wise account, you could also do that. All you simply need to do is just make sure you have a registered business in the US, an EIN, a US phone number, and a US address. Once you have all of this, you'll be able to create a business account inside your Wise account. So once you've done all of that, you can now successfully use your Wise account to receive money and send money internationally. So this is basically how you can create your Wise account successfully. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.